Citrus pressing and packaging lines help preserve products better and create attractive and professional product packages. By using automatic weighing and packaging technology, this machine helps reduce errors and increase accuracy in the packaging process, ensuring that each package of onions has the correct weight and quantity. Expectation. In the food industry, blueberry packing and sorting machine lines have become one of the most important innovations, helping to optimize production processes and improve product quality. With a combination of advanced technology and automation, this line not only saves time and manpower, but also ensures packaging and grading of blueberries takes place accurately and efficiently. The freshness and purity of corn is clearly shown through its color and shape. Each grain of corn radiates bright yellow light, creating a beautiful natural picture in the field. With its natural and fresh beauty, golden corn gives us a feeling of satisfaction and comfort. Removing fruit peels makes you tired and lose productivity. The Kia 700A fruit peeler will be a savior for any kitchen that needs an effective and the sharp blade moves quickly, cutting the ribs into beautiful pieces. Imagine slices of frozen meat being cut smoothly, evenly, so thin you can see through them. That's exactly what the ultra-thin frozen meat slicer can do. The huge, seemingly invincible mass of meat must now succumb to the sharp blade of the meat cutter. In just a few short minutes, the giant had turned into thin, docile slices. Imagine this line as a water sprayer. Instead of spraying water, it shoots delicious sausages. Slice and portion each batch of salmon and smoked salmon to suit the size and weight of each package. Slices within each batch are perfectly aligned for exceptional package presentation and are automatically spaced to fit panel size. The RU6000 packaging and filling machine is fully automatic for the world's most modern ice cream sandwich. Who wants to try this delicious treat? And what special dish is it? You can also slice meat and bones into individual pieces on our GMS 400 TV. Combizor 4-lane sorting machine for sweet peppers in the Netherlands. Process, but also a symbol of modernity and automation in the food industry. Combining automatic features, F-Dicer not only saves time and effort, but also ensures accuracy and uniformity in the cutting process. This helps optimize production productivity and ensure product quality. Pronostec packaging machine is a reliable choice in optimizing product packaging processes in the food industry. With advanced technology and automation features, Pronostec not only helps increase productivity, but also ensures quality and uniformity in the packaging process. Pronostec's versatility allows it to quickly and accurately process each type of product, from frozen to fresh, without damaging or creating unevenness. Looking at these delicious trays of fresh meat, do you want to cook them? The delicious flavor, the softness of the meat, and the freshness of each piece of meat make us unable to help but dream about the delicious dishes that will be prepared from them. From these rich pieces of meat, we can create countless delicious dishes, from stewed, grilled, stir-fried to fresh sashimi. Sealed Pack a 7-tray sealer with smart conveyor is a reliable solution for packaging steaks and other meat products. With advanced technology and smart features, Sealed Pack a 7 not only helps increase productivity, but also ensures quality and uniformity in the packaging process. The Clegia forming machine with automatic lining feature is a unique and convenient tool in producing delicious and attractive Clegia cakes. The combination of modern technology and smart design helps the Clegia shaping machine operate powerfully and effectively. Looking at these funny panda-shaped cookies, do you find them adorable? This is not only a funny decoration, but also a symbol of joy and warmth. Looking at these cookies, one cannot help but feel happy and cheerful. When you experience each piece of bamboo cookie, you will feel the delicious taste of almonds and the sweet taste of sugar and honey. This perfect combination makes each piece of cake a unique and wonderful enjoyment experience. A multifunctional and efficient device that produces small cereal bars with high quality and uniformity. With stable production capacity and flexible speed, this machine helps increase productivity and save time in the production process.